This is a 2018 Toyota 4runner Limited. The dark gray paint already has the window tint on it. It has a really cool brown leather. It's got the Uniroyal Tiger Paw tires, and they are very, very new. Customer recently installed them prior to trading it in. All 4 tires, and you can see the red stamp there on the side hasn't faded yet, so they're very new. These are all season tourings. Has the running boards there on the side, the cross rails up top on the roof. This is a non-smoker. Reverse parking sensors, tow package. Also has the front parking sensors, projector beam headlights, the chrome accents all over the grille. Got the LEDs here on the side mirror. All 4 doors have the clear edge guard there that you can see. Protect it for door dings. Or it door dinging something. Has built-in navigation. Backup camera. You got your dual zone automatic climate control system. Heated and cooled seats. USB port, auxiliary, and a 12 volt. It is push button start. There's your 4-wheel drive. As always, you have the power sliding rear glass, cruise control, Bluetooth. There's your steering wheel buttons. It's got the automatic headlights. Just under 75,000 miles. Like I said, this is a non-smoker. Power windows. There's your parking sensor button. You have a 400 watt outlet there in the cargo area. I'll show you that. And then heated washer fluid. You have an auto dimming rear view mirror. And up top you have your downhill assist, your A-track, traction control. It does have a sunroof. And this is your built-in garage door opener. Looking at the driver door, you have the memory seat package. Power windows, locks, and side mirrors. Door panels in great condition. The leather here, don't know where that I can see of there. Got your floor mats. Power adjustable driver's seat. It's that brown leather. Up top to the sunroof. The bolster has just a little typical wear here. I do not see any rips, just a little bit of wear here, but great condition for 75,000 miles there. That side's in really good condition. They did have kids, so this does have the cargo seat, or car seat indentions that you're gonna see here in the back seat. You know, some of that could be stretched out with different heat and stuff, but for the most part, that's just gonna be there. If you have kids though, your car seats will go right over that. And you have 2 12 volt ports down there, as well as your AC vents. Got your cargo area. It's got the mats laid down. That seat's kind of too close, but this is a 3rd row, so these are other seats. I need to move those seats up just a little bit, but it has those 2 extra seats. A lot of people just keep them folded down. Here's that 120 volt port, as well as another 12 volt. JBL audio. This is a manual lift gate. I believe all of them are. They do not make power on the 4runner. There we go. If you have any questions, let us know.